So, what does a wannabe woodworker do when he's not in the shop? Well, thanks for asking. Well, sometimes I play a little golf. The quality of that golf varies greatly from round to round. And I guess sometimes I fish too. And in my spare time, I guess I work. Thanks for watching.